Hey everybody, I'm going for a ride today. This little guy. Gonna do a review on my Viking bags that I have on my Scram 411. I have the Outlaw bags. They come in, the ones I have are the 10 liters. I think there's two different sizes, don't quote me on it. It's been a while. Had them for about 1 year now, so I guess it's like a 1 year review. So I got a little over 1,500 miles on them. It's really cold. It's the end of December, and figured I'd go for a little ride through the neighborhood and then go back home, get warm, and tell you what I like about them. Hey everybody, wanted to talk to you today about the Viking bags I got. It's like a 1 year review kind of deal. So I went with the Outlaw bags in leather, the 10-liter ones, because I like the way they look on my bike. First off, they are quick on off. So they have, on a bracket, you have 3 pins that stick out, and they line up with these holes. Quick on off. Opens up away from the bike when it's on the bike. Everything inside soft touch, so you don't have to worry about scratching anything you put inside. You have some pockets that are velcroed in here. You can move them around wherever you need them. They also have a lock on the inside that keeps them locked onto the bike, as well as a lock on top that keeps them shut. So whenever you put them on a bike, it's really easy on off. Like when I put them on mine, it's just 2 screws, and so basically you have take this screw out, put the new one in, and then put this in. So with your bracket, here's the 3 pegs that stick out that connect to the 3 pegs on the back. Lines everything up, locks it in. They are fully waterproof. I've been in the rain with them, no issues there. And then what I usually do is, on longer rides, I use the tripper pod on my Royal Enfield, so it's like a little GPS if you don't know what that is. So I have my battery tender comes out under the seat, and I put a USB charger, plug it into the battery tender into the bag, so that I constantly have a charged phone and a GPS that's working. And then with that, you're good to take pictures, whatever. You don't have to worry about GPS dying. And even with the wire going into the bag, I still haven't had water get in the rain. Usually though, I'm not just trucking through the rain. I'm a scaredy cat, so I just go hide somewhere till the rain stops. But it is nice to know that if I have to stay in the rain, everything's gonna stay dry. I have the 10-liter ones, so it's big enough I can use for camping, but not overly huge. So I usually set up one side of the bag is like my cooking stuff. The other side of the bike, I'll put the other odds and ends that I need, change of clothes, stuff like that, and my tent on top. Usually good for a day or two like that. But as far as the bags go, I have no complaints whatsoever. The only thing I would recommend is treating them with some form of leather protectant. Whatever you like, just go for it. I'm sure they have some recommendations on the website. But if you're looking for a bag that's you're not going to break the bank, that's really nice quality, I would recommend Viking Bags. Like I said, I have no issues. I've dropped the bike, kind of fell going up a hill, doing stuff I'm not supposed to, and they're absolutely fine. So if you're looking for a quality bag that's not going to torture you on price, like for both bags and racks, I got for the price of one bag from Royal Enfield. So, and they look way cooler and better. So no complaints. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys got some info out of it, and see you next time. Thanks. Have a good day.